again the war in Ukraine. Ukraine has always been different from Russia. Russia was unable to achieve the same level of democracy and social development as in Ukraine, which gave rise to Putin's envy. He was preparing for war because he forced women to give birth to soldiers for him through maternity capital for their first and second child. I don't understand territorial issues, and there are no need to. Someone gave territory to someone. In our Republic of Tuva, parts of our land were also given to the Irkutsk region, Khakassia, Krasnoyarsk region. The war must stop. Putin no longer needs to be elected president. In Russia, need to return freedom of thought, speech, movement, choice of gender identity to Russians, and stop scaring people with the invented and carefully quoted supposedly traditional values of Russia. What is we talking about if in addition to Russians, that is white people? There are more than 90 different nations in Russia. Some have their own territory and some do not. All ethnic groups except Russians are subject to racial discrimination in Moscow and other large cities with the predominant Russian population. Please understand me correctly, Russians are main people in Russia, as it is written in the constitution, and the rest, Tuvans, Buryats, Kalmyks, Khakas, Altai, Komi, Yakutsk, Events, Ingush, Dagestanis, Ossetians, Bashkir, Tatars, that is narrow-eyed people and people of the Caucasian type are secondary people, about which Russia does not worry. I'm recording this video in English so that my relatives and my people will not to be persecuted. I don't want to do Tuvans and other small nations of Russia to fight for the Russians. Russia needs to think about how to develop country and not to try to show off its strength, which no longer exists. No war in Ukraine.